In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Part 2, and let me show you how to activate Dialpad sounds on the following device. So at first just take a look how it works right now. So now if you are entering the number, you can hear more or less nothing, just the vibration. And now if you'd like to activate it, all you have to do is to open the settings, then find and select sound. Here scroll down and open advanced features, go a bit lower, and here you will notice Dialpad tones. So just click here, and now let's go back to the phone dialer, and now just take a look. So this is how it works. So actually that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.